Welcome to Axicon Videos. In this video, we'll be looking at an updated version of our saving options on the Axicon Camera Verifier software. First, I will make a folder on our desktop called Scan Files, where we can store all of our saved files. Now let's scan some barcodes with the Axicon 15500 barcode verifier. This label I have has a 2D data matrix and a 1D EAN8 barcode. The most familiar option is to go to File and then Save. Here you can choose the location and save individual scans. All Axicon scan files save in a PNG format. So if I quit the software and load it back up, select File and then Load Scan, then choose the PNG file I just saved, click Open, and you'll see the verification scan. Another option for saving includes an autosave function. This is easy to set up. All we need to do is to select View and then Settings, then find the Saving tab along the top. First thing to do is to click the Enable tab. Then, under the directory, select the location you would like to save all of your scan files. In my case, it will be the Scan Files folder on the desktop. The next option is just for file names. You can use the decoded number, or the date and time, or both as the file name. Or if you'd like to name your files yourself, you can select Save As box. This will bring up an option to name the scan files when you make the scan. There is also an Allow Cancel option as well. I'll use both the decoded number and the date and time for this example. So let's scan some barcodes. First, I have this sample I scanned before, which has a 2D data matrix code and a 1D EAN8 barcode. I will now also scan the EAN13 and data matrix code from the calibration card. Looking into the Save Scans folder, we can see the PNG files have been saved here. That's the saving options, and now for saving reports. For this, we'll go back into the settings, which has an F5 shortcut. I'm going to turn off the autosave function for now and select the Reports tab. On the left hand side, it gives us the options of what reports we'd like to save. The most common would be the standard reports, which you can choose CSV, HTML, PDF, or just plain text. On the right hand side, it gives us all the same options we have with saving scan files, like decode number, date and time, where we would like the report saving, and the options to name the files ourselves and allow cancel. These options are the same for every type of report, apart from CSV, where you also have the option to append an existing report. First, let's do the most common option, which is to save some standard PDF reports. Make sure Saved is ticked. We also have the Auto Print Report option here as well. Once you have ticked Save, a green dot will appear on the left hand side to indicate which reports you have active. Again, I will just use the decoded number and the date and time as a file name in this example. I will select our scan file folder we made and hit OK. I will again scan the same samples I have here. Now we have 4 PDF reports in the folder. This is because the software has saved the reports for each barcode decoded, which I had 2 in each sample. Going back to the saving options, I'm going to untick the standard PDF and now select the standard CSV option. Select Save at the top. Then we have 2 options. File name is where we can create an individual CSV files for a scan, and Append is where we can create a new CSV or add to an existing CSV file. Making a new CSV file here would add all the data from the scans into a single file. If we would like all the information from various scans files collected onto one CSV file, then we need to enable the Append option. Then select the location where you'd like the CSV file saved. In my case, I'm going to use the scan file folder again, and name the file. I will now scan some barcodes again. Now looking at our scan file folder, we can see the CSV file the software has created. If we open this, you'll see all the information on each barcode decoded. I hope this has been helpful to you, and if you have any questions, please visit our website at axicon.com.